Today I want to share a dress with you. This dress is pleated. And she's got a heart. And here we're going to be armpits. It will have a hand. This pattern is called a round arm here, a bell arm here. And I'll sew this one with silk. Tarta here is the ball. And non-elastic fabrics. If it's stiff, it'll make this hand. To paint. In this case, my sisters need to prepare measurement number, shoulders, chest, neck, chest, waist, butt, and waist length. And now we're going to start going into the design part. I will determine the length of the dress. Depending on what you can wear. In middle age, we will lucky it. Right through the knee. About 10 gasoline or right calf is beautiful. Then it's up to you to choose the afternoon. The length of the dress. After the length, then you'll take the shoulder pieces. Shoulder to shoulder. Divide 2, 32, divide 2 is equal to 16. Then you'll take it. Some of these are 16. If you put 4 petrol in your neck, divide 5 by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Connect in. Then lower your chest and you'll get your chest back. Divide your year by 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18. I took it down to 18. Leading a perpendicular line through. And then I'm going to take the chest. Divide by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. Take over 22. Next, from up here, lower your waist. If I lower my waist, I will make it 35. According to the measurement, you will take this. From up here. I took across. Then the waist will be the waist. Divide by 4 and add 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is 18. I took a passage that is equal to 18. Then you'll have a lower butt. If you want to lower your ass, you will measure from the waist down to the butt. Here I measured 18 millimeters of gasoline. I'll get my ass here. Divided by 4 plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is 21. Across is 21. Then I'll switch this over and I'll get a dress. Here are for fuel. Then this one I'm taking is equal to 32. You guys make a perpendicular line. Then here's to gas and then another 2. Then we split in 2. I can draw the armpit line on my body. And then from this part, you step back into to gasoline. I built a perpendicular line. And from top to bottom, you will take a point is equal. 18 of us connected here. Then you hit the curve. Then we'll get the neck and the arm. Well, in that case, ladies, I don't want the two-handed part. Then you can adjust. This becomes a gasoline. So when we sew the hand, his hands would be on him like this. It's okay. Then you adjust the neck a little bit deeper. Then you will split this part in half. And divided into 8 petrol. I took down 15. Then, and as you can see, I will have a shirt. Neck, waist, and hips. On this dress, there will be lines. that I think the stack will always give. Before and after, the body will be beautiful. So I'm going to cut the upper half. In the lower half, I will show you how to fold. After I broke the towel first, come up here with gas. And you can bend this. 5.7 here reduce yourself is a gasoline. The back of the towel, you take this sugar. If you want her, if you inject them, you go deep. Injection down like this. Then we'll get the neck behind it. Follow the back. Now I'm going to cut it. I don't have a seam here. I'll leave the seams when you cut on the cloth. And then I'm going to cut this part of the heart's neck. The back of the body will be cut along the red line. The front body is cut in blue. Then we'll get this body. I will have a body like this. This body is called the body after I cut it. Then you will reduce the body later. 1 centimeter gasoline. Once a gallon of gasoline is done, I will reduce this part. The front bodies follow the blue line. And these will be the previous bodies. It will be the back. Then, later, I will also have a side road. You will also split in two, and we're going to draw the vertical side for the rear body parts. Then I'll measure the armpit ring on my body so I can draw my hand. This dress I measured is 21. I measured it as 20. Then I'll leave it here. I'll cut the stack. After the dress is done, I will continue with the body. You will open this dress. Expand this part. On the dress, well, you guys start with this part. I put it in. 5 times gasoline. Then double the green year here. I got a cup. And then you're going to split another glass. And go on to the next glass. Every glass is like that. Every one of these glasses you see. Hot twice as much gasoline. Every glass like that will be. It's 2.5 inches. Double 2.5 inches double. This will be the year of gasoline. Distance of 2 glasses of gasoline. And when we're in pairs like that, its distance will be 10 petrol. So it started. On the body, it will be the same as the waist on the body. I want you to sit on the back and you will sit on the back. This glass, that's 10 petrol each. Then you take 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Plus the upper waist. There will be enough fabric for you to make. And then I'm going to cross this road. I will do with A. If you have a lot of fabric, take it all. The rest of the cloth is fine. Then we're going to cut the part with a here. You will get the part. Hey, let's go down. I peeled this down as a gasoline. Then I put it in, and you see this place. It will sit in the right place. So this is the body and we're going to assemble it in A. lower body and upper body well put together, we will get the shape of a dress like this. And the body later. If you do that, I will also note that. Well, I will too. There's a dress for the back. It's the same as the body in front of you, and we put it in. Then it's going to be a size of the body that we're wearing. I designed it in the same way. Now we will do it for the sleeve. The shirt here, we measured the part of my hand, front hand, back hand. So you guys put this part in half. Then this is 20. This to 1 means the curve. Yours, it will be half the curve of the armpit assembly. It's going to be 20. So here you see, we're in a queue. Oh, 1, well, 4 times right here. Then this armpit we have to divide into for hips. 20. If you add 2, you count as 40. I divided into 4. Then this horizontal distance is mine. It will be 10. This will be 10. Then you will let the ruler cross 10 times. But this 10 is what we asked for. We'll have to cut. It's not that it's going to be sharp, so I'm sure that's when you put this 10. Then you make the curve through here. It will be more than 10. It will come out to 11, but we don't have any except seams. That's why number 1. That's what we use to make, except for the seams. You will cut the road. This curve out. It's going to show the armpit line on the top. And the body of this hand, it will have 1 big and 1 small, a long one, a short one. For example, this part is what I will get. The one at the bottom is 10. And the armpits on the outside. Then you will take 15. For example, we will cut it all. This armpit down here is 10. And up here you took 15. I'll cut the sleeves now. This one I cut is not round. Cut back for it round. Then when you're done cutting, you open it. This part is what you will give me. Armpit down here, And this part is you're going to give the upper hand here. Then when you put the hand in here, I put my hand in here. This is half a hand. And here's half a hand. Please note, the upper part of my hand is 10. Down here 5. So we're going to cut this 5th part as well. Put it back. Then the extra hand at the top will be 15. The upper hand is 15 and the lower hand is 15. If it's 10, we'll get the hand model. Well, it's inflated. I just finished sharing it with my sisters. Well, the way we do it. Design for this a shirt. If your sister has something wrong with you, please leave a comment below. I will see and respond to my sisters when I see comments. Thanks Shincho and see you later.